Homeowner DIYers, still trying to figure out water treatment to prevent toxic water, wondering if you can do it yourself or need to hire someone? From my experience as a DIYer, I can tell you that unlike other projects, water treatment improvement is far more complex to protect your family's health because it's different for everyone, but you can still do it. And another thing, what's missing in home safety these days? In order to occupy a dwelling to begin with, like the home you own, there are safety requirements that must be met before a certificate of occupancy is granted. Many of these requirements are based on preventing safety standards that could otherwise have harmful and, in some cases, fatal consequences. Protections are put in place visually and audibly to inspect for proper electrical wiring and strong odor propellants to detect a natural gas leak. Smoke and carbon monoxide detectors sense hazardous exposure events and notify with visual and audible alarms. Same for your home security system. But what about your source water? Does it alarm if there's a toxic or pollutant exposure event that infiltrates all water flowing through every tap of your home? And even better than an alarm, how about removing the threat altogether by reliably trapping and containing the exposure at any time of day? Is your water close to being hospital-grade water quality like my home has? Chances are it's not. There are some water-based contaminants and pollution that can't be removed by a local water treatment facility, which remain in the water being distributed to your home, such as pharmaceuticals and chemicals. This includes any potential cross-contamination with accidental construction digs that rip apart water mains and sewer lines in one go, which initially introduces microbiological contaminants before pipelines are repaired. That's why I developed a unique, methodical solution for homeowner DIYers who are concerned about their home's water quality and safety. Those who want to learn to protect and defend their family from toxic and polluted water exposures at home 24/7 so that you can properly and confidently do it yourself. Click the link somewhere on or around this video to register to get the information. It's free. There's a video that explains it. This is a common subject that is very popular, and virtual seats are limited. I do hope to see you there.